Ever thought of closing a deal like scoring a sensational goal? Stay with me, and let's dive deep into mastering the art of closing, the football way. Hey there, I'm Jack, and just like how Liverpool FC dominates the Premier League, I'm here to show you how to dominate your sales game. Imagine setting up the perfect play on the field. It's about laying down the foundation. In sales, you lay down that foundation by understanding and restating your client's problem. By doing so, you're setting up the play, ready to make the pass or take the shot. On the field, players communicate, strategize, and set up plays. Similarly, your conversations with clients should always pave the way for the close. Ask those vital questions that engage them, get them nodding, agreeing, and moving with you towards that goal. Football is not just about fancy footwork. It's about scoring. In sales, the goal is your solution. Always presented in two parts, the feature, the technique, and the benefit, the beautiful goal at the end of that technique. When you do this, closing becomes as natural as a striker finding the back of the net. If you've enjoyed this journey down the pitch of sales mastery, make sure you follow my account for more insights, tactics, and game-changing strategies. Let's win this sales league together. YNWA, you'll never walk alone in your sales journey.